cloud lead for Molina Healthcare. VRops 6, 5, and 7. Optimization and reclamation. Given a glass pane of our organization, make it very simple to give operations a go-to product to find a virtualization, a VM, for example. So far, actually, it's been very successful as far as when we started with the product. Before we didn't know as an organization where some of the VMs or platforms were. Now it's unified our organization to troubleshoot. Absolutely, very intuitive. For example, one of the things is we have a big environment, and a simple case, for example, is we get a request when there's an issue with a virtual machine. Well, the organization is, where does that machine live? Does it live in which data center? Now, they just plug it in on the search field, and it gives them all the simple information. Data center, the host, location. So far, since we upgraded the product, and I'm just giving you, over the course of a quarter, I've reclaimed in our team over 2,500 CPUs. That's a significant amount of CPUs, and we're still continuing. And using the DRS automation fields and other features, we're seeing a lot of success as far as load balancing, and we can also forecast some of the trends that we have in our organizations with the product. Absolutely, yeah. It's an average time, well, a NOC user or operations could spend at least 15 minutes just finding that VM or the issue. I'm just saying, I think it's saving an average user, like myself as a consumer, about 40%. We have the issue, we have the problem. Before, we're spending an additional 40% just trying to find where the issue was. As far as cost savings, absolutely. We're seeing a significant growth as an organization, and we're also seeing the cost savings and the reclamation. So right now we're being challenged as the growth, and we have to find capacity, and using the product suffied a lot of not purchasing other new products. Absolutely, yeah. Very simple and very efficient as a product. Compared to other versions, absolutely this version, by far, in my opinion, has exceeded expectations. It's always better every year, and so far it's actually all the new features that VMware does for technical support. The features, it's very simple just to plug in your issue and get a response, but I noticed that the response time is more efficient than the previous years. The first one I've seen is the UI, the dashboard, and the intuitive of the product, how it works. With the web browser, it's very efficient and fast. That's one of the improvements I've seen. I would say, in my opinion, management packs, more native management packs with API. When I started the organization, we had existing other competitors, and we also had VRops, but it wasn't fully scaled out for the organization, but I saw the value just based on my experience. VRops was definitely on the top list, and then we had VM Turbo, and there's another product called Runcast. And again, we have higher tier products that like Scalar, but it's not really a operation type. So right now I strongly feel it's a solid 8. Well, because I haven't got to the 9 and 10, meaning I haven't got the exposure to the VRep products, but I think I would give it a 10, but the way I feel right now, once I feel that it's solid 10, I'll give it, but right now, pick something very simple and very intuitive and very efficient for operations, and as an engineer, basically is simplify product, and I think VRops is the product that I would highly suggest and recommend.